Alright, so I found a different type of air conditioner. This is right next to the one that I filmed earlier, real quick. But here's an Admiral heat pump. This is I'm pretty sure this is a scroll. I don't know what motor that is. Yeah, here's the brand right there, Admiral. I don't know if it's not the same one as the one that makes my washing machine back at my house in the States. It looks like that's 2023. Whatever, 5-ton. But yeah. And then all the other ones. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and over and out.